Let me tell you a very simple story. Imagine you run a dental clinic. You have 2 or 3 junior assistants. They are good people. They are trained. They are sitting in the clinic scrolling through their phones because it's raining and the clinic isn't as busy as you would like it to be. And at the same time, somewhere inside your patients database, there are hundreds of patients who haven't visited you since 6 months, some for a year. And you probably know they should come back. But who's going to call all of them? That's where things usually stop. You could tell your assistants, go through the patients list and start calling patients. But then someone has to decide who should they call, what should they say, which patients should be prioritized, what offers or reasons should we give them to come back, and how do we know whether all of this work actually generated anything? That's why we build Campaign Builder inside AUMY. I am simply going to type in plain simple English that, hey, let's create a campaign for patients who haven't visited since 6 months or more, and send them a wellness package of cleaning, x-ray and consultation for $4.99. Send to 50 patients every day. Alright, plain simple English. I just told the campaign builder what I want. I click OK. And now see the magic. And this is where it gets interesting. I'm not telling the system how to build a campaign. I'm telling it what business outcomes I want. AUMY understands the objective and turns that into an executable patient campaign. The clinic didn't necessarily spend another rupee running ads and acquiring new patients. The patients were already there. The assistants were already there. The opportunity was already sitting inside the database. And this is why we don't think of AUMY as another dental software. Traditional software is very good at recording what happened. AUMY is designed to help the clinic make things happen. You tell AUMY what you want to achieve in plain English. AUMY turns that intent into a campaign and also executes it by its own. It talks to your patients, it answers, it books, and gets them to your chair. Now look at this campaign. So it has come up with everything, a message that needs to be sent, how many patients qualify. So this is a demo database. So it's wellness package re-engagement $4.99. I just click on activate campaign. And here now I have a wellness package re-engagement of $4.99. So here now in the capabilities, I will see wellness package re-engagement $4.99. Operator has to monitor their inbox, and here it shows us approval needed. And your staff and you can do all of this from our mobile app also. You can simply approve the messages from the mobile app and you're done. So basically you can operate your clinic from your pocket. And here is the template. So this is exactly what patients are going to see. Example, hi Priya, it's been a while since we last saw you at Lumiere Dental and we'd love to welcome you back. As a valued patient, we are offering you our exclusive wellness package specially designed to get your smile back on track. Dental cleaning, dental x-ray, consultation, all of this for just $4.99. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. Book your appointment soon and let us take care of your health the way you deserve. Simply reply to this message or call us to reserve your spot. We can't wait to see you. So once patient replies to this message, AUMY is going to answer all the questions like an expert consultant, book the appointment and get them to your chair. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this number +91 2264230058, which is the number for Lumiere Dental, and going to ask about the offer.
Hey Jay, sounds like you got cut off there. Go ahead, what's up?
Hey, what is this 499 offer? I got a message about it.
Let me pull that up for you right now. So the Rs199 offer is a wellness package. It includes a dental cleaning, an X-ray, and a consultation. All
सॉरी क्या आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो प्लीज? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
बिल्कुल. तो RS499 वाला वेलनेस पैकेज है वो इसमें शामिल है. डेंटल क्लीनिंग, डेंटल एक्सरे और कंसल्टेशन सब कुछ सिर्फ RS499 में. क्या आप इसके लिए अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करना चाहेंगे?
श्योर. आज के लिए कोई स्लॉट है?
बढ़िया. आपके पास आज शाम 5 और बजे डॉक्टर कव्या नायर के साथ और 5:45 बजे डॉक्टर अनन्या अय्यर के साथ अपॉइंटमेंट पहले से हैं. क्या आप उन्हीं में से किसी को इस वेलनेस पैकेज के लिए यूज करना चाहेंगे या कोई अलग स्लॉट चाहिए?
ओ हाँ, राइट. मेरी ऑलरेडी अपॉइंटमेंट बुक्ड है डॉक्टर के साथ, अनन्या अय्यर के साथ. ओ नो प्रॉब्लम. तो मैं उसी अपॉइंटमेंट के दौरान ये पैकेज करवा लूंगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
कोई बात नहीं. तो आप लोग अनन्या अय्यर वाली अपॉइंटमेंट में ये RS499 वेलनेस पैकेज करवाना चाहते हैं. क्लीनिंग, एक्सरे और कंसल्टेशन. जब आप आए तो बस रिसेप्शन पर बता दीजिए, वो अरेंज कर देंगे. कुछ और हेल्प चाहिए?
नहीं, थैंक यू सो मच.
आपका स्वागत है जय. आज शाम को देखते हैं आपको. टेक केयर.
So you saw how the voice agent answered the call, was completely aware about the offer. So AUMY is going to be aware about everything that is there in your system, and it's going to handle that like a professional. So let's count what just happened. Your assistants now have purposeful work every day. Your empty Tuesday chairs filled with recall patients. The 499 package walks in the door and the X-ray finds the root canal, the crown, the treatment that patient actually needed. That's not a discount. That's a reactivation engine. And you built it by typing just 2 sentences. This is one camping, built in 90 seconds. AUMY runs your whole patient journey the same way. Convert, care, retain, reactivate, and grow. That's why AUMY is the next generation dental platform.